Hi, my name is Don, and I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to prepare a project in your DAW using the project checklist that we covered in Loudon's video. So the first thing you want to do is set the preferences for your audio data and sampling rate and bit depth, and those are covered usually in your preferences. In mine, I'm using Sonar Producer, and those are located under the Edit Preferences menu. And you can see here the audio driver is set to 24-bit, and the sampling rate is set to 44, and I'm going to change that to 48,000. And then there's also, you want to set the starting buffer size to 128 samples. And in this version of Sonar I have, it's not letting me adjust that, so I also have this option of an ASIO panel, and I can change settings in here. However, it doesn't give me a numeric readout, so I've found with that it's best just to kind of try a couple trial and errors and see what works best, and then just adjust it accordingly. The other thing you want to do in the preferences is you want to make sure that your hardware is set up to match what you have set up in your DAW. In this case, if I go up here to the audio devices, it lists the drivers that it's recognizing that are in my system, and you just need to make sure you have a checkbox next to all the ones that you want to use and that are available to you. If you do that, then when you go into create tracks, there's drop downs that let you select where the audio is coming from, and you can select the appropriate input for where your data is coming from. And the last thing you want to check before you create your project is to know where is your data going to go when you save it. In my case, I like to use an external hard drive. That way my audio is separate from all of my programs and stuff, and if I need to back it up, I can easily back up just my external hard drive. But you can do it any way you want. So if I go to the File and then New, you can see here the default is my external D drive, and then all the projects get saved into a folder called Cakewalk Projects, and the audio path for those projects is here, although that's not really used. It stores stuff based on a project folder, so whatever you save your project name as, all of the audio files will be saved within that folder also, which is very handy, because that way you then, if you need to give somebody access to your project or whatever, you just have that one folder that has everything related to your project in it. I hope this helps you get started. Thank you for watching my video.